Hello, my name is Ian Goller, and today I am going to take you on a tour of the Holden Village Utilities rounds. Every day starts out in the dining hall, where I am testing the amount of chlorine that is in our drinking water, which is important for the continued health and safety of the village. We monitor the chlorine levels by adding two different reagents to our little sample bottle, and these two reagents will react with the chlorine in the water and turn it a lovely purple color. This level of purpleness will then get monitored by the small black box that you see there, and that will tell us a concentration in milligrams per liter of the amount of chlorine that we have in the water. Following those chlorine tests, I walk out across the creek and to the hydro plant. This is where all of our power is generated. Inside of the hydro, we have room number 1, which includes all of the switch gears. These are basically large breakers that allow us to control flow of electricity to different parts of the village, so I can turn off the entire north or south side of the village all at once with one of those big knife switches. Inside the second room, we have our currently active generator, Unit 1, spinning along happily, making power for everyone. We also have Unit 2, which is our winter generator, which is more effective at low flows. A lot of our control equipment. This will tell us things like the frequency, the voltage, the current that is being output by our generator. And again, we have Unit 1, our currently operational generator. During rounds, I have to collect information on how well the generator is operating. So here I'm just looking at the frequency and voltage of our power. We'll also check out the bearing temperatures and make sure that the bearings are nicely oiled so that the generator continues to function happily. We'll check out the internal and external temperature of the room just to make sure that it's not going to damage anything, as well as reading the actual power output of the generator. We also have to oil what's called a mechanical governor, which is a regulating system that keeps the frequency stable. After that, we head up to the second level, where we check out our water treatment systems. So inside the valve vault, in the valve vault, we've got our first set of filters, which is the Tech Clean. It's an automatic backwashing filter that you see cleaning itself out right here. And then it just spews all the dirty water that's collected from its screens out this pipe onto the tailings. Following that inspection of the Tech Clean, I walk back to the automobile garage, in the back of which we have our water treatment plant. Inside the water treatment plant, we have two sets of filters. On the right are the Rosedale pre-filters, which help to protect our more expensive strain-right finishing filters, which are the bank of 6 cylinders you see there, which remove Giardia, Cryptosporidium, and lots of nice, tiny, small things that are really bad for your stomach. Similar to hydro, I have to collect a lot of data. So here I am looking at the pressure across the filters, the amount of water that we've produced in the last 24 hours, the amount of runtime we've had, the amount of chlorine we have left in our reservoir, which is what's contained in that wooden box there, as well as here checking out the amount of chlorine at a different point in our system just to compare. All of those results will then get logged and sent off to the state of Washington. Thank you all for your time and interest in the Holden Village Utilities. We love you.